It's a sweet, sweet Fitasy, baby, when I close my eyes. And you know what? This is probably not working as well as I thought it would, but this is the Fitasy. This is a company that I first saw at CES, and they make some 3D printed shoes. I'm serious. We're going to be opening these boxes, going to be trying these on right after this. Okay, so what can I tell you about this company? Not really much. I'm probably going to get more into it when I write the article about this. Nevertheless, it was basically like I saw them at CES at a certain booth, at a certain after party. I actually forget which one because, well, you saw my CES footage. But essentially, yeah, I just kind of went like, hey, I said like, oh, I got to have me one of those. And he said, I'll send you one. And then it's like a few months later, it shows up finally. So here it is. I'm finally going to open it. I have no idea what I'm expecting, but here's the thing I'm seeing. Right now it's saying like it's a 3D printed sneaker, white, EU 44, women's 11.5 to 12. I'm a man. There's been a mistake. Hopefully these things will fit. Here they are. All right, so let's see what they are. And this is it. Oh man, am I really getting, okay, I'm really hoping my green screen isn't really messing with this. I think it's so white and it's so meshy that I think that's hard, plus it's got this in them. So let's try taking it out. Not bad at all. Now, they're made to be slip-on, so we are definitely going to slip this on, and I'm going to feel like Cinderella. But let's see what else we have here. We have an envelope here. Just says, yeah, no, it's all attached here. Make an impression. What does it say there? I'm pretty sure I saw that on here. Okay, Fitasy, make an impression. Okay, says something on the back, and it reads, we've made an impression for you. We hope you love it as much as we do. It's your turn now to make an impression. Thank you for sharing our vision. Whoa, ho. They are serious, aren't they? Darn right they are. Okay, so here's the thing. I got to get out with these shoes, man. Yeah. Ooh. Okay. We better try these on and see how they work. Okay. If you've ever been shopping for shoes, you know they have these mirrors that are nice and long so you can see what the shoes look like. So, these are the ones I've got. Pretty easy to tell what's left and what's right. And man, oh man, let's try these on. But first, let's take off the other shoes. Oh yeah. Okay. All right. As you can see, they have no laces, so we're just going to slip our feet into them. Okay. All right. Ooh. Okay. It's a pretty tight fit. Not really, actually. Huh. Hey. Hey. Not bad. All right. Hey! Okay, not bad at all. Not bad at all. Well, they're comfortable too. Okay. Okay, maybe we can get that shot later. But, yeah. Hey, I'm feeling pretty good about this. I think I'll go for a little walk outside now. Is the song I was referencing in that video there. I did step outside. I'm not in the shoes now, but because I just wanted to show them here, I figured this would be kind of cool. But essentially, I looked up on the website on Fitasy, and they have two types, the Stride 1 and the Stride 2. I'm not certain which one this is. I should probably check that out and put it on the website for sure when I get around to that. Price is pretty up there. For the Stride 1 is about $180, and for the Stride 2 is about $130. I'm guessing these will last longer than most shoes. I don't know how much you spend on your shoes. For me, I buy them every once in a while, but I think there's been times where it's like 1 year later, I'll look at my shoes and go like, wow, these are pretty cruddy. I better replace them. So, however, the comfort that they give is really amazing, and I've worn them several times on walks like these, and I can testify that they're good shoes. I mean, so if you're willing to spend a little bit for something that's quality and comfortable, you should get a pair of these. I can't praise them enough, honestly. So, yeah. As far as the mesh look for it, I don't know if that'll ever be in fashion. I wouldn't be surprised if it does. These aren't your Crocs, mate. Anyway, so I'm going to be heading home here after doing a little walk. But for now, this is Mark from the Geek Church, signing off.